Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, The Novel Trading. In this video, we are going to analyze each and every forex and economic news that is going to be released in the coming week. So let's go to the calendar in the Forex Factory and let's understand what is happening over here. If you will observe properly, the whole week is full of red news in the market, and you know what does the red mean? That the price is going to be highly volatile. So what are we going to do? We are going to understand in which forex pair the news is going to be released, and then we are going to analyze the same forex pair on a weekly and a 4-hour time frame in the markets. So on Monday, what we can see that there is a USD news coming in the market. It's not very important. You will not see a very good volatility like FOMC or something, but yes, there is going to be very huge impact of this news. On the second day, that is Tuesday, you are going to see GBP news in the market. And on this day, there is a very important Canadian Forex news in the market, guys. There is a CPI index release of the Canadian dollar. And on the same day and the same timing, you are going to see a core retail index of the USD as well. So Canadian dollar is going to be highly volatile this week, guys. On Monday and Tuesday, we are going to see highly expected volatility in the Canadian dollar. If you're making your forex watch list for this week, for Monday and Tuesday, you can focus on Canadian dollar because that is going to be highly volatile till Tuesday. Then on the Wednesday, you are going to get a news about the AUD and GBP. I'm not saying that this is going to be very highly volatile, but I'm expecting a good volatility on the AUD because this is wage price index data released in the market. Then on the next day, Thursday, we are expecting a good volatility on the AUD, which is Australian dollar, and also on the USD. Some small important news is going to come in the market, not like FOMC. Again, guys, you have to understand not every news impact is like FOMC or price index, because sometimes there are unemployment claims and some other news which are fundamentally focused on the market, but they don't have the huge impact there and then itself. Then we are also expecting Canadian news at 8:30 p.m. on Thursday itself, and then on Friday we are expecting a small news on the USD. Now this is very important, guys, because whenever there is a federal bank news, there are various hints in this news about the incoming news about the interest rate and the other FOMC news. So let's go on the charts and let's understand what is going to happen technically. So first we are going to understand the GBP. So I've opened up the chart of GBP USD on a weekly time frame. When you're trading intraday, guys, you have to understand that whenever you are on the weekend, you have to do your homework on a higher time frames so that you can understand where is the price trying to go on a weekly basis. So what I can say about the weekly basis, that price has just given us a good chalk in the market. If you will look over here, price has changed the character. Initially the price was in a down momentum, and because of this breakout, price has given us a good momentum towards the upside. Now is this a genuine breakout or is this a fake out? Most probably this is going to be a fake out because the major direction of the price is just downside, and if the price is moving towards the upside, taking out the first lower high in the market, first liquidity, that is a sign that yes, there is a presence of strong buyers in the market. So this zone is very highly important because the price is going to be stay at this zone, and from here we are expecting that the price will try to take out all the liquidity from the upside. It might give you reaction from the extreme order block. Here we can say that our extreme zone is over here. So if the price is not taking out a U-turn from the inducement levels, what we are expecting, we can expect that the price will take out a new liquidity towards the upside. In the coming weeks, we can expect that the GBP USD is going to be bullish in nature. So you have to understand that whenever you're doing intraday trading, you have to look where is the price going on a long-term time frame. So on a weekly basis, we can expect that the market will be moving towards the upside. No doubt in this week, you will see that there was a red candle. And why is there a red candle? If you will understand that the price has just taken out this previous liquidity, wigged this out. So price just take out this liquidity, wigged it out, and the price has shown you a good momentum towards the downside. So in this coming week, what we can understand, if we are going on a short-term time frame, all the short-term time frames will show you a negative trend in the market. And that should also happen because the price has taken out a weekly liquidity in the market. Price cannot just try to continue towards the upside. So if the price has on a weekly basis has taken out the wick out this candle, in this coming week, we can expect that there will be a bearish candle in the market. So when you are doing swing trading, you can understand that the price is still in the upside momentum. But if you are doing intraday trading, you have to understand your intraday direction can be downside. And that is very much observant from a daily candle. If you go on a daily chart, we can see that the opening of the week was very good when the price opened. Then you can see a good volatility towards the upside. But in the last 2 days, the market has started moving downside because the price has given us a wick out on the weekly time frame. That means the price might continue this week for next 5 days. Price might continue its direction towards the downside and will try to take out all of this liquidity available for the market. Let's come to the 4-hour chart and let's understand what is also happening on a 4-hour chart. If you will see properly, price has given us a proper momentum chalk in the market. This is a long-term chalk. So what are we expecting? That the price might try to retrace from this order block. This is the extreme order block. So tomorrow when the market starts, what you can see that you will see a good momentum towards the bullish, towards the upside. You will see a little bit gap up in the market because this is the extreme order block. So price will react from this level because this is a smart money trap as well. And the price price will try to take out this previous liquidity in the market. Okay, so this is what we can expect in the GBP, and whenever the news is going to be released in the GBP, you can see there are so many news signs in the tradingview.com. So please take care of this news. This week is heavily guarded for the GBPUSD. Now let's try to come to the next forex pair, which is known as the Canadian dollar. Now what we can see over here on the Canadian dollar, I have opened up the weekly time frame chart, and over here we can see that the price is very much consolidating from the last few months. Price is not able to break the previous high in the market, and the price is not able to break the previous low in the market. So these two levels are very much important. If the Canadian news is expected, we can expect that the market will try to give you a breakout on either side. Either the price will try to target the previous resistance in the market at the level of 0.75808, and the market can go downside and target the support level of this level, which is 0.71608. So these are the two major important levels which the price can target. And if the price is retesting the resistance level, we are expecting that the price might try to take this level and then go downside. This is how the price can behave in the news on a weekly chart. Now let's go on a smaller time frame and let's understand what is happening in the market. The daily chart is also a little bit consolidating in the market. The market is not going in a very much perfect momentum either towards the upside or downside. Let's go on a 4-hour chart and let's understand what is happening. The 4-hour chart also says that the price has given us a recent change in character in the market. If the price has given this change in character in the market, and then let's see in the continuation what did happen. Price created this bearish rectangle type of liquidity for the market players, and then all the retail sellers were able to sell below this level. As soon as the market took out the first liquid towards the upside, confirming that this is my new lower low in the market. So you have to understand your major support level, which can be targeted in the coming week if the market continues the downside momentum, is the level of 0.73178. So this is a very important level which you have to take care of, because the price is in downside direction. The price has given this change of character in the market. After this change of character, price did what? Price tried to mitigate extreme bearish order block in the market. So over here, price mitigated this order block, and from this candle, the price started its major direction towards the downside. It is targeting what? Majorly, it is targeting this support level of 0.73161. This is how you can do the analysis, guys. If the news is going to come in the market, high probability says that the market will continue towards the downside in these news patterns. So this is the coming week how you can trade in the Canadian USD. And I've told you for first 2 days of this week, that is Monday and Tuesday, you can focus on Canadian dollars, because both Canadian dollar and USD news is going to release in the market on the Tuesday itself. So from here, let's continue our journey to the last but not the least is the Australian dollar. So in the Australian dollar, if you look at the weekly direction, the price is in downtrend and price has just wicked out the previous resistance in the market. So over here, what we can see that the price tried to make a support from here and then try to target the previous resistance in the market is at this level, but the price only wigged it out. If the price only wigged it out, we can expect the 50% probability says that the price will continue towards the downside and will try to target this support level. But let's say the high probability setup doesn't work, and on the news pattern, price tried to trap all of these sellers, then what we can expect that the price will boomerang towards the upside, trying to mitigate this previous order flow in the market. So this major order block in the market is still unmitigated, and we can expect such momentum that if the price creates a trap over here, then the price will continue its major direction towards the upside, take out all of this liquidity available over here, mitigate this level, and then after giving you a minor chalk, the price might continue the major momentum towards the downside. But on a weekly time frame, the major momentum is still towards the downside only, guys. So let's go on a smaller time frames on a 4-hour chart and let's understand what is happening. What we can see that the 4-hour chart is still continuing towards the downside and there is a little bit consolidation. So on a 4-hour chart, the price is actually in a consolidation mode. Okay, price is not able to go either towards the upside or downside. But as I told you, the higher time frame says that the price is in a downward trend. So you have to respect that the price will try to take out this previous support level in the market. So if you are looking for a downtrend momentum, if the price continues this downtrend momentum in this news area, you can target this support level of major area 0.65640. This is how you can trade in these 3 pairs in the coming week, guys, because you can see that there is going to be a huge volatility in the whole forex market for the next week. The whole next week, every day, every single day, there is an important news release in the market. So no holiday for the next week. Try to trade and focus on your trading. And if you want to join a free analysis like this only, please do subscribe to this channel. I update my regular analysis and my profits as well. So whenever I take a trade, I also share my trade analysis with you guys. For that, you can join our Telegram channel, Trade with PARAS GOEL over here. I hope you have liked this video, guys. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment box. And also, I am putting my WhatsApp number over here. You can inquire about my one-to-one training session as well. I provide one-to-one training sessions to all of our forex traders. And I hope this video is very helpful to you guys. And I hope that you fill up your piggy bank with a lot of dollars. Okay, guys. Till then, good luck to you traders and see you in the next video.